Whoa, what are you guys doing here? You can't watch this video yet. You need to head over to HBG VIP and watch that video first, and then come back and watch this. Links in the description. See you in 10 minutes. How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another midweek episode. And as you can see, you're joining us in a new unit. So if you haven't seen the second channel, where I surprised Charlie with the keys to this unit, go check it out now and then come back and watch this video. But so far, we've done a load of work to this place already. So like I said, if you haven't seen the other video, so far we've built ourselves a workbench, we've knocked out the stairs so that we can have a bit more space. Charlie's just making us a cup of tea and cleaning the kitchenette. But the biggest thing we've done, it's knocked a huge hole in it. If you guys seen the first video, you'll know that this was a solid partition wall and it had a door here, and then this shop front used to be where the roller shutter is. This used to be a shop that sold blinds, and next door is a little garage called Oracle. He obviously has a workshop now, but that used to be the place where they made the blinds. So you would come in here, place your order, and then it would get manufactured next door, and then an installation team would come. But yeah, we've got a massive open space now for activities. We've got a nice wee bathroom. Let you guys see the wee bathroom. Perfect for us. And then I'll show you upstairs. Stairs are a little bit sketchy now, but we will think of something better for that. We have got a bit of storage up here, so when we get rid of the rest of this plasterboard, that'll be a nice bit of storage. Another wee storage cubby. And then we've got a nice office up here for editing and things like that, for merch and car parts. We put a wee desk in here as well. We have got a window to look down, but with the lowered ceiling you can't see anything. But yeah, we decided to keep the lowered ceiling for lighting. So that's actually the job we're doing today. We've got a load of new LED lights, so we're going to put them up. But having the lowered ceiling in there, in the office and in here, means that it should be less echoey. It'll also be a bit easier to heat, and with it all being white, it'll be really bright for filming and painting and things like that. Obviously it's a bit duller at the moment because we've not finished putting the lights in, but by the end of this video, it should be mega bright and ready to go in here. So yesterday when we were done, we got a load of painting done. So obviously we're cutting at the wall, we had to frame it and support it, so this is all being painted. Charlie's just putting one last coat in it now. It was so hard to cover, wasn't it?
Yeah, it takes ages to dry as well. So
that paint is probably the worst white paint I've ever bought. It was the cheapest. It was the cheapest in B&Q. That bit of wall there's not too bad. This bit's went white. This could be doing with another coat.
we left it overnight and we came back and it's
still a bit damp in places, yeah.
It's cold, really.
But I did order in some edge trimming, so we've got some 90-degree fascia trim to go on there to neaten up the edge of the plasterboard. So Charlie's just doing the last coat of white paint. I'm going to nip round and pick up the fascia board. And do we need anything else while I'm out?
Some breakfast.
Right, okay, I'll bring you back a roll. I'll go and pick up the fascia, pick up Charlie a breakfast roll. You can finish painting, and then hopefully by the time we come back, John for TGB Services will be here, and we're going to turn all the power off and put up our LED lights.
Right, so we're still waiting for John, and we're also waiting for the paint to dry, so we might as well build this shelf that's been sitting in the corner for days now.
Right guys, the shelf's built. Infinity wax, if you're watching, this needs filled with detail and stuff. If you want to get a wee shelf full of stuff and a nice wee banner up there, drop us an email. There we go guys, some new lighting. I've ordered some more of these lights. So we decided to keep the circular lights and put the strip lights up.
Yeah, we found out that the circle lights were sealed units and LEDs, so they're not actually that bad.
Yeah, so plenty of LEDs. We've put another one on the wall here to shine down into this room.
Also, it's like the hallway.
It lights the hallway up a bit, yeah. But we did decide just to keep these ones here for now, because we're not made of money. So once
this was rotated, so we just rotated it back round.
yeah. So once we've done a few jobs and we've got a bit of extra money, we'll get the other lights replaced. But this is brighter, warmer, drier, bigger.
Better.
Absolutely. So all we need to do now is start bringing in some tools, which we're going to do tomorrow. We still need to get rid of the shop front. So if any of you guys want it, or you know anybody that might want it, you are more than welcome to take it away. Just drop me an email at homebuilt2020@outlook.com and you're free to come and get it. I just want rid of it. This space is going to make such a difference.
Huge difference.
So much more productive. We won't be held back by the weather.
No, it was raining this morning.
Yeah.
We just came in here, nice and dry, cracked on. Gave everything a touch up because it had paint to dry.
Everything's had it probably needs another coat of white. Just to touch up a few wee bits, but
on camera it looks fine. Got these trim pieces at the edge.
yeah. Trim pieces on, and we've got another wee set of ladders that we're going to make a hook system to put on here that drop down, and then we can store them under there when we're not using them, because that maximises the space. And these these are a bit sketchy to climb up and down. My wife actually came in yesterday and asked if they were up to building code. But yeah, that's about all we can do for now until we get the tools in here and we start getting the cars in here. So hopefully we'll be filming our first video in here on Saturday on the micro, getting it lowered and getting some wheels on it.
Cool job for a cool garage.
So that's going to be,
That'll be fun.
yeah.
You said you wanted to do something cool with that box, didn't you?
Yeah, this box here. I think we're going to get rid of this chain box at some point.
It is quite.
Because it feels a bit intrusive. It just feels like it takes up a foot of the room that it doesn't need to. And then this box here, this box is our electricity cupboard, so I thought we could do something with this, maybe like other YouTubers will put their stickers on there. I've got a couple.
Instagram shops. So if any of you guys run your own business,
Yeah.
you can send us some stickers and we'll get them.
We'll put it up
covered
there.
in that.
And we'll mention you in the video when we stick it on.
Free advertising. Well,
So we'll start with, we've got a Chops Garage sticker that we can put up there. We've got
Adam LV.
Adam LZ,
stickers.
we'll put that up.
We'll get Topdon stickers up there.
Yeah. And then of course if any of you guys want to send us some stickers, we'll fire it up there.
Feel free, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I'm happy with the new shop.
I can't wait to get started.
We still need paint out there, but that's
Yeah.
the inside.
Let's show you the front of it. I don't know if we've showed anybody the front of it. So guys, this is the front. Obviously it's no perfect.
Needs a little touch up.
Yeah, we want to do a bit of grey painting, fixing a bit of guttering, bit of grey paint up the top there, and then grey around the shutter doors, but yeah.
Somewhere.
Micro chilling over there.
Look how manky it is.
It's terrible looking. But yeah, this is
The new Homebuilt HQ.
our wee unit. The only thing left to do now is to get stuck into work in here.
Yeah. Get
So,
cracking on.
yeah. Thanks again for watching. Thanks again for all your support, all the likes, all the comments, all the shares. It's you guys that have made this possible for us. So yeah, we're going to return the favour by cranking out some really nice content. Hopefully some good content.
Up in the game for 2023.
Definitely, definitely. So thanks a lot for everything you have done for us. And like I said, join us on the next one. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure your notification bell's on because we're going to 2 videos a week as well. And we've got videos on HBG VIP. So make sure you head over there, click subscribe on there and you'll get some behind the scenes content as well.
Yeah.
Thanks again guys. Bye.